What is going on, guys? Welcome back to StefAB TV. Now, right now, you can see behind me the brand spanking new 2019 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. Look how beautiful that thing looks. But what I'm going to do is rewind back about an hour where this car was unveiled for the very first time. This is the global launch of the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. So, let's roll that B-roll. Let's see how I got right here. Okay, so they've just unveiled the car and oh my god, everyone's going bonkers for it. So there's some key fit points and figures you need to know about this car. So this thing is running 715 horsepower, but the most impressive part of all of it is it's running 950 newton meters of torque, sorry. That's 20% more than the Ferrari 812 Superfast. It will do 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. That's stupid for a Super Turismo car. There's a load of lightweight panels in there. There's all sorts going on. There's so many people back there to try and get you guys some access of the interior. It's going to be a graft, but I will always try my best. So let's try and fight our way through those guys and have a look at the interior. Okay, so my batteries ran out. Finally managed to get in this car, and let's have a look inside. And
DB11.
Hello there. It's almost like we staged this.
Hey, it's Mr. StefAB TV. Shall we shut the door?
Yeah, I think so. Just have a bit of a chat. Block out the noise.
What do you think of this?
I really like it. I really like. I've got to say it. I have to say it. I'm sorry. I don't like these. That's the only thing I don't like. The rest of this car, however, stunning.
Absolutely
stunning.
mega, isn't it?
Mate.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm pretty blown away by it, actually. It's lovely in here. Very Vanquish-like in here in many respects, which is a really good thing.
Yeah, well, it's replacing it, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. But outside, just it's got that kind of mix of aggression and beauty and functionality, and I just think it looks beautiful.
It does. Big V12 lump up the front. The bonnet looks very long from this position, doesn't it?
It's
like super long.
I'll be able to get. I don't know whether I'll be able to get how long that bonnet is. Yeah, it's a long bonnet.
The thing
I guess you've got the DB11 sort of Mercedes Daimler-Benz derived MMI, which has got to be a good thing. No emotion control unit, like the new Vantage by the looks of things.
But I guess the big one, isn't it? It's, you know, that much power, big lump in the front. We're rear wheel drive, nearly 950 newton meters of torque.
Yeah.
This is going to be an animal to drive.
Oh yeah.
This is going to be an animal.
Yeah, this is going to be the seat of dreams. So yeah, that's.
It is indeed. Oh, it's nice to actually sit in this car without being thrown around.
We waited long enough to have a bit of a look around.
Right, let me jump back out and let Pete finish his video.
Yeah.
Alright, so I've managed to fight my way through all of these crowds, and it's unbelievable how many people are here already. So to get proper access to this car is definitely hard work, but for a first attempt, I think we did pretty good. So what can we say about this car? First look, quick and dirty, over the exterior and the interior. I think for me, the exterior of that car looks absolutely incredible. The side wings look stunning, the way they just form their way into the wheel. The colour, the pastel grey looks absolutely beautiful. But for me, the star of the show is the interior. That stitching on the seat is just out of this world. But performance figures, what more do you want from a car? I don't even know what the price tag is. I'm going to leave a note here because I just don't have the number off the top of my head. But it's not going to be cheap. And I guess the question for everybody is, what would you buy? the Aston Martin or the Ferrari 812 Superfast? I'm not sure what I would have. I'll leave you guys to battle it out below in the comment section, so what you would have, the DBS Superleggera or the 812 Superfast. But that's it, quick and dirty overview, first look of this car. My name's been Steph, you guys have been awesome. Make sure to hit subscribe over here on Instagram if you haven't already. And I'm going to see you guys very soon on the next one. Thank you very much, bye bye.